tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In North Carolina, Charlottetown County. At 6 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 9 miles northwest of Charlottetown, moving east at 49 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those cops without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Charlottetown County at 6 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In North Carolina, Charlottetown County.